My name is Emma. Today is a very special day. Today is my birthday. I am 7 years old today. Last year I was 6, but now I am 7. I wake up very early this morning. The sun is shining through my bedroom window. I am so excited. Today I will have a birthday party with all my friends and family. Happy birthday, Emma, says Mum when I come to the kitchen. She gives me a big hug and a kiss. Happy birthday, sweetheart, says Dad. He hugs me too. My little brother Tom is sitting at the table eating his breakfast. Happy birthday, Emma, he says with a big smile. I have a present for you. Thank you, everyone, I say. I am so happy today. Mum makes my favourite breakfast, pancakes with strawberries and honey. They are delicious. While I eat, Mum and Dad tell me about the party. Your party starts at 2 o'clock this afternoon, says Mum. 5 friends are coming to the party. Who is coming? I ask. Sarah, Lucy, James, Michael and Anna, says Dad. They are all very excited about your party. After breakfast, we start preparing for the party. Mum and I go to the living room. We put up colourful decorations. There are pink and purple balloons everywhere. We hang streamers from the ceiling. We put a big Happy Birthday Emma banner on the wall. Dad and Tom set up tables and chairs in the garden. The weather is perfect today, sunny and warm. We will have the party outside under the big apple tree. Emma, come and see your birthday cake, calls Mum from the kitchen. I run to the kitchen. On the table, there is the most beautiful cake I have ever seen. It is round and covered with pink frosting. There are 7 colourful candles on top: red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple and pink. Around the cake, there are small sugar flowers and my name written in white frosting. Wow, I say, it's perfect. Thank you, Mum. I made it yesterday evening, says Mum. It's chocolate cake inside, your favourite. At 1 o'clock, I get dressed in my new birthday dress. It is blue with white flowers. Mum brushes my hair and puts a pretty blue ribbon in it. I look in the mirror and smile. I look very nice today. At 2 o'clock, the doorbell rings. My first guest arrives. Happy birthday, Emma, says Sarah. She is my best friend. She gives me a big hug and a wrapped present. Thank you for coming, I say. I am so happy you are here. Soon, all my friends arrive. Lucy brings me a present wrapped in green paper. James has a present in a red box. Michael gives me a small bag with a yellow ribbon. Anna has a beautiful present with silver wrapping paper. Thank you for all the presents, I say. Can I open them now? Wait, says Mum. First we play some games, then we eat cake, and then you can open your presents. We go to the garden. Dad has prepared many fun games for us. First, we play musical chairs. Dad plays music, and we dance around the chairs. When the music stops, we sit down quickly. It is so much fun. Michael wins the game. Next, we play Pass the Parcel. We sit in a circle and pass a big wrapped package around. When the music stops, the person with the package removes 1 layer of wrapping paper. Inside each layer, there is a small candy. Lucy gets the final present, a small toy car. Then we play hide and seek. I hide behind the big apple tree. Tom finds me first. We laugh and run around the garden. Everyone is having so much fun. Time for cake, calls Mum. We all sit around the table. Dad brings out my beautiful birthday cake. The 7 candles are lit and glowing. Make a wish, Emma, says Sarah. I close my eyes and make a special wish. I wish that I will always have good friends and be happy. Now blow out the candles, says James. I take a deep breath and blow out all 7 candles at once. Everyone claps and cheers. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Emma, happy birthday to you. Everyone sings the birthday song. I smile so much that my face hurts. Mum cuts the cake and gives everyone a piece. The chocolate cake is delicious. It is sweet and soft. Everyone says it is the best cake they have ever eaten. This cake is amazing, says Anna. I love chocolate cake, says Lucy. After we finish eating cake, it is time to open presents. I am so excited. I open Sarah's present first. Inside is a beautiful book about animals. Thank you, Sarah. I love reading. Lucy's present is a box of coloured pencils and a drawing pad. Now I can draw pictures, I say. James gives me a jigsaw puzzle with a picture of a rainbow. Michael's present is a small stuffed teddy bear. It is brown and very soft. Anna's present is the biggest surprise. Inside the silver wrapping paper is a dress-up costume. It is a princess dress with a tiara and magic wand. Oh, wow, I say. I love it. Thank you so much. Tom gives me his present too. It is a small flower pot with a sunflower seed inside. I chose this myself, says Tom proudly. You can grow your own flower. Thank you, Tom, I say, hugging my little brother. You are the best brother ever. We spend the rest of the afternoon playing with my new toys and taking pictures. Dad takes many photos of all of us together. We laugh and smile in every picture. At 5 o'clock, parents start coming to pick up my friends. Each friend thanks Mum and Dad for the wonderful party. Thank you for inviting me, Emma, says Sarah. It was the best birthday party ever. See you at school on Monday, says Lucy. When everyone goes home, I help Mum and Dad clean up. I am tired but very happy. Did you have a good birthday? Asks Mum. Yes, I say. It was perfect. Thank you for the wonderful party. This was the best birthday ever. I'm glad you enjoyed it, says Dad. You deserved a special day. That evening, I look at all my new presents on my bed. I think about my wonderful day, the delicious cake, the fun games, and all my friends singing to me. I was so happy today. This birthday party was amazing. I can't wait until next year when I am 8 years old.